What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you can see behind me, we won the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. I think we won it for around $14,700, so that's a really good deal. And if you remember from the last video, my dad went to Copart and looked at two Tacomas. One was this one and one was the Limited. And we decided just to bid on this one because the Limited had like mold damage and all that. So we didn't want to have to deal with that. We were off to a bad start because if you can remember from the last video, my dad cranked it up at Copart and it started up perfectly fine. But when the delivery man delivered the truck to us, we tried cranking it and we got out, realized there was no battery in it. So it just proves the delivery man stole it, but it's all good because we got a new battery and it's ready to go. So let's do a quick walk around interior and exterior and then go give it a detail. So let's get started. All right, to start off with the exterior of the truck, as you can tell, the whole front end needs to be replaced. But with the grill, I think I'm gonna go with the custom grill, like the TRD Pro style, because this one is just very basic and the TRD Pro just has a better and more aggressive look to it. But as far as the front bumper, I think I might just keep that because it doesn't look that bad. And if I ever do change my mind, then I could always go to the custom grill. This headlight is definitely gonna need to be replaced, but I think I'm gonna replace it with like an LED bulb instead of the stock ones because it's just yellow and I don't know, it's just not bright enough and I don't like it. We will also need a new AC condenser. And if you remember from the last video, my dad said the heater didn't work. And I looked in the radiator and they didn't have any water in it. So I'm not sure if there's a hole in it or the hose in the bottom came off. So that would be why the heater isn't working. So maybe we can pour some water in here and see. And I looked up radiators online and they're only $100, so that's not that bad. All right, I got some water. I'm gonna pour it in here and you'll see how the water just drips straight out to the bottom. It's dripping straight out. It's definitely busted. So just $100, not that bad. Buy that and then it'll be fixed and it'll be good as new. All right, let's finish doing the exterior of the truck. It's mainly only the front end that has a lot of damage, but there's some small things around the back of the truck that needs fixing, so let's go take a look. There's a little scratch right here that Copart labeled, but that can easily be fixed. And I don't know if the previous owners added these steps or if it comes stock with the truck, but I'm definitely going to keep them because when I lift the truck and add bigger tires, these will be helpful. There's really nothing else, so let's look in the bed of the truck. There's an airbag. I don't know why the airbag is back here, but and see what that thing is. Looks like the front thing for the license plate. We got a wrench. Just lots of trash back here. Old roll of tape. See what's in these. Oh, nothing in this one. Dang it, nothing in this one. There was also a scratch back here. This one's a little bigger, but still can be fixed. And there was nothing back here. And a lot of the money that we're gonna spend is gonna be in the interior from all these airbags. So let's go take a look at this right now. All right, let's take a look at the inside of the truck. All right, so basically every single airbag is deployed in this truck. This is going to be the most expensive part of the build, and the airbag is the only thing that's damaged in the interior, nothing else. Also, this seat belt is going to need to be replaced, and we're going to need to strip off the air module. I think it's like right here. So hopefully all this will be under $3,000, hopefully. All right, so the interior looks really nice. Has a backup camera, which I will love. And let's see what's in the glove department. Looks like this is a tailgate camera wire harness. Pretty neat. See if there's anything. Center console. And just some pennies and a receipt. Let's take a look at the back seat and then we'll go give it a nice detail. I wish we could go on a little test drive, but since the AC condenser's busted, I don't want to damage the truck anymore. So get the back seat done real quick. see. Back seat looks really nice. Got some trash in there. Lots of trash down here. This is going to be a real nice detail. What I like about the seats back here is you can pull these and then you have storage all down here. So you can put really anything you want down here, which that's really cool. And then this one also does it. Let's see what's all back here. Some paper, baby wipes, glasses, more glasses, and then some paper, and then more paper. Also, I'm not sure if this back glass you have to open manually like that, or if there's a button up there that will open it. But this is pretty cool, and I'm glad I have this on my truck. Alright guys, I know it normally doesn't make sense to clean a vehicle before the rebuild, but I like to get started with the clean truck, and we plan to start ordering parts this weekend. That way next weekend we can get started. And we plan to start on the interior first, like all the airbags and stuff, and then move our way to the exterior. And I hope we don't drag this series out for a long time, because this is my first truck and I'm very excited to get started. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.